I'm Alizée. I'm based in Seattle and I went to business school. I went into marketing jobs. I was surrounded by a lot of creative and I started to basically explore more my creativity. I did a lot more drawings actually, and this is where I could tap an iPad and try drawing more digitally as well. I was like, oh, it would be good to sell some of these art on Etsy. My first collection as an artist where it was more thoughtful was like Paris versus Beirut, and I need to find a company that that can be global because I want to sell also like in Europe. I want to sell global, not just to the US. I tried Gelato and the quality was great. I started and I never really looked back, and it's been a few years now. Props to customer service. They've always been helpful with me, so I appreciate it. Since I started to now, I could see the progression. I think it's important, the quality and the longevity of the product, because I'd love to try, especially also like the new brands and especially also maybe the new print technique.